Introducing CoroDrill Dura 462, pushing tool life beyond industry standards. Precision engineered for performance across any material. It's easy to use, easy to choose.
I'm James Thorpe, Global Product Manager for Solid Carbide Drilling here at Sandvik Coromandel, and today I'm introducing our latest tool, the CoroDrill Dura 462. This is our new tool for multi-material applications. The development process started in the R&D Centre, where we use advanced CAD and simulation software to model every detail. We can then simulate and model the tool's performance across a broad range of materials before we actually produce a prototype. After simulation, we produce physical prototypes. These are then inspected to ensure that the produced geometry matches that we have simulated and modelled. The CoroDrill Dura 462 has improved sustainability over the previous generation. This is done by sourcing the carbide blanks from a single internal supplier. This also makes production more consistent and also helps towards our sustainability objectives. And now our application specialist will introduce the new tool features.
I'm Matt Johnson, the product application expert in hole making, and today I'm going to introduce you to the new CoroDrill Dura 462. This drill uses the latest Zetivo 2.0 coating, giving excellent wear resistance and superior edge toughness in the most demanding of materials, giving you longer tool life and higher productivity. Also, this geometry is easily reground, delivering better value for the life of the tool.
Cutting data can be obtained by using the Coro Plus Tool Guide tool on our website. Simply select the material you are going to drill. Fill in the parameters such as hole depth and click Get Results to see the recommended cutting parameters.
Once you've had the cutting data, you simply apply it to your NC program or CAM system. Here you can see the drill working in a range of materials, proving its versatility. Whether it's the design, ease of use or sustainability, the CoroDrill Dura 462 sets a new benchmark in versatile drilling.